Hello, here's what you can do with your iPad mini 7th generation if it doesn't want to turn on. So if you have issues with turning on the device, there are multiple things that you can try to do. First and foremost, you want to make sure that the USB cable that you're using to charge the device is working just fine. So if you have another USB cable, you can try to use it in order to charge your iPad. And the same goes with the power adapter. You can try to use a different one. You can use a different combination of USB cable and the power adapter in order to find out if you can actually charge the iPad. If you cannot charge it at all, then of course this could be the issue of either the battery or the charging port, which is of course located at the bottom. You may want to clean it carefully. You can try to find, for instance, instructions. I made a video about cleaning the charging port for this iPad, so you can try to check that out. But if you are certain that this is not the case, then what you can do is perform the force restart. And in order to do the force restart, you will need to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the top button. So let me demonstrate how it works. Press volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the top button. And then keep holding this top button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. This might take you 10, maybe even 15 seconds, maybe even a little bit more. Just try to be patient and wait for the Apple logo to appear. If it appears, then of course you can release the top button, but if you are holding for even more than, I don't know, like 30 seconds, maybe even more, and it doesn't work, then there might be just the issue with the iPad in general, some faulty parts inside or something. And there's also one more thing that you can do, and that is connect your iPad to your computer. Whether you are using Windows PC or laptop or MacBook, you can use the USB cable in order to connect your iPad to your computer. And then you can try to, for instance, update the iPad using the computer on iTunes. There should be an option after your computer detects the iPad. You should have an option to update the iPad. And also there's an option to restore to default settings. So this might be the last thing that you can do on your iPad in order to make it work again. Although this is not a guarantee, most likely it still won't fix the issue. So if you cannot turn on after force restarting and after updating it through iTunes, then at this point I think I would either try to contact Apple support or take your iPad to a professional who might have a better idea how to fix your iPad. But besides that, force restart seems to be a pretty good solution to most of these cases. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!